And then a stunning story about what's looking like a massive act of civil disobedience by thousands of gun owners in one state. A developing story tonight out of Connecticut, where there are reports that tens of thousands of gun owners are refusing to register their firearms under a new law in what some are now calling a massive act of civil disobedience. Trace Gallagher has that story. Trace?
And in fact, Megan, we talked to a Connecticut lawmaker tonight who said he's never seen a law willfully disobeyed like this. Remember, this law bans assault weapons from being sold in Connecticut. It also expands the definition of what classifies as an assault weapon so that more weapons can be prohibited. You can still legally own an assault weapon as long as it was registered with the state police by December 31st of last year. Now, by the deadline, look at the numbers. Just 48,000 were registered, another 2,100 in the process of being registered. Now, nobody knows for sure exactly how many of these weapons are in Connecticut, but it's a lot more than the 50,000 you see on your screen. Even conservative estimates range from 150,000 to 350,000. That means Connecticut now has hundreds of thousands potentially of brand new criminals because not registering is a felony. Now, some state lawmakers say many gun owners didn't know about the law or ran out of time. But one Republican state senator told us he has firsthand knowledge that residents think their rights are being violated and refuse to abide by the law. Listen to him.
When people start to question the laws and the lawmakers and the process that they went through, then that kind of eats away at the underpinnings of the democracy. I don't think that's too far a stretch.
Right now, there is no plan by the state to remedy this, Megan, because there is no amnesty. So if you go in to register your assault weapon right now, you could get busted. This is astonishing considering Connecticut's not exactly Texas.
Right.
Megan.
All right, Trace, thank you.
We all know that registration precludes confiscation. And just as we saw with the previous story, when the police come to your home to look into the fact that you have guns, they may very well be afraid of the fact that you might shoot them. And we've seen over and over again that the police are given carte blanche to kill anybody that they feel concerned about, if they're scared in any way whatsoever or feel like they're threatened in any way whatsoever. And many of them feel threatened just knowing that you have a gun. This is a very serious issue. This is something that the feel-good liberals have thrust on people, but we understand what's behind this. We know that it is a prelude to confiscation, and it creates a very dangerous flashpoint situation between citizens and an out-of-control police departments.